Hello, welcome to High Performance System. This is Nestor, and I just want to explain you. We just finished the top coat on the Hibashi Tokyo. It is a food fair restaurant, and we just want to walk around so you can see. We just finished like 10 minutes ago the top coat paint. So we're going to the kitchen area. Go around here. As you can see, we did the coat base all around the wall, and then we came to the floor. Go this way now. You can see walk around. Floors are so nice, so it's still wet. It will take 6 to 8 hours to get dry. Now we go in this room. Go around. Hope you like it. Thank you.